Welcome to Money Booster. Today, we're diving into smart investment tips for beginners to help you grow your wealth safely. We understand that stepping into the investment world can seem daunting at first, but with the right guidance and tools, anyone can become a savvy investor. Building wealth starts with smart investing, and even beginners can take control of their financial future. This video equips you with the foundational knowledge to confidently step into the world of investing and grow your wealth safely. Let's get started on this journey together, ensuring each step you take is secure and informed. Understanding your personal risk tolerance and investment time frame is crucial as you start investing. Are you the type of person who loses sleep over stock market dips, or can you ride out volatility in pursuit of higher returns? These are important questions because they help you choose investments that suit your comfort level. For short-term goals like saving for a down payment, safer investments such as bonds might be appropriate. However, if you're planning for long-term goals like retirement, you can afford to endure more fluctuations and benefit from the magic of compounding interest in more volatile markets like stocks. Always align your investments with your financial goals and risk tolerance. This alignment helps prevent making panic-driven decisions during market lows. One of the most effective principles of investing is to start as early as possible and make regular contributions. Thanks to the power of compound interest, even small amounts invested consistently can grow into substantial sums over time. Consider setting up an automatic monthly transfer to your investment account. This strategy, often called paying yourself first, ensures that you consistently invest without having to think about it each month. This habit not only builds your wealth but also strengthens your financial discipline. Remember, it's not about timing the market, but time in the market that counts. Diversification is a fundamental investing principle. By spreading your investments across various asset classes and sectors, you reduce the risk of significant losses if one investment performs poorly. Think of it as not putting all your eggs in one basket. Investing in a mix of stocks, bonds, and real estate, and within those categories, diversifying across different industries like technology, healthcare, and consumer staples can protect you during downturns. This strategy ensures that parts of your portfolio can offset losses in other areas, leading to more stable overall investment performance. For beginners, low-cost index funds are a fantastic choice. These funds mimic the performance of a market index like the S&P 500, providing you with broad market exposure, diversification, and lower risk compared to individual stocks. They also come with lower fees, which can significantly affect your investment returns over time. Index funds are excellent for those who prefer a more hands-off approach to investing, or for those who do not have the time to research individual stocks. Over the long term, index funds have historically shown to provide solid returns, making them a wise option for any beginner investor. The world of investing is ever evolving, and staying informed is key to maintaining a successful investment strategy. Dedicate time to educate yourself by reading books, reputable financial news sources, and engaging in communities of like-minded investors. Understanding the basics of economics and market trends will help you make more informed decisions and stay calm during market fluctuations. Remember, investing is not just about making money, it's also about becoming financially literate and independent. The more you know, the better equipped you'll be to navigate the complexities of the financial world. Remember, Money Booster is here to support you on your financial journey. We're committed to helping you build and maintain wealth through smart, informed investing. If you have questions about getting started with investing, feel free to reply to this newsletter, and we'll be happy to assist you. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel to not miss any updates. Also, consider subscribing to our newsletter, whether free or paid, to stay updated with the latest tips and strategies. Here's to making your financial dreams a reality.